गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न साइंस ऑफ क्लास 6। इसमें हम 6 चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे। हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट में देखा कि कौन कौन से चेंज हमारे आजू बाजू हो रहे हैं। कुड देयर बी अदर वेज टू ब्रिंग अ चेंज? क्या कोई दूसरे तरीके हैं चेंज के? वी ऑल हैव सीन द टूल्स विच आर यूज टू डीग द सॉइल। हैव यू एवर सीन हाउ द आयरन ब्लेड इन दिस टूल्स इज फिक्स्ड टू द वुडन हैंडल? क्या आपने ये ऑब्जर्व किया है कि आपके जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होते हैं, जो गैजेट्स है, जो उसमें आपने देखा है कि वो आयरन ब्लेड होती है जो वो वुडन हैंडल से कैसे फिक्स की है टूल्स की। द आयरन ब्लेड ऑफ these tools has a ring in which the wooden handle is fixed. Normally, the ring is slightly smaller in size than the wooden handle. To fix the handle, the ring is heated and it becomes slightly larger in size, expands. Now the handle easily fits into the ring. When the ring cools down, it contracts and fits tightly onto the handle. See here, some tools are given. Such a change is also used for fixing the metal rim on a wooden wheel of a cart, as shown in figure 6.7. Again, the metal rim is made slightly smaller than the wooden wheel. On heating, the rim expands and it fits onto the wheel. Cold water is then poured over the rim, which contracts and fits tightly onto the wheel. See here, the picture of wheel is given. When we heat water in a pan, जब हम पैन में पानी गर्म करते हैं, it begins to boil after some time. If we continue to heat further, the quantity of water in the pan begins to decrease. जो पानी हम जितना उसे गर्म करेंगे, उसकी जो क्वांटिटी है वो कम हो जाएगी. The water changes into its vapor in activity 7. Chapter 5, you have observed that water vapor gets changed into liquid water when it is cooled. We all have noticed melting of ice. Ice melts when it is heated. What does it change into? Is it possible to change this water back into ice? क्या ये पॉसिबल है कि आप लोग वाटर को फिर से आइस में कन्वर्ट कर लो? Let us observe some more changes. Activity 7. Take a small candle and measure its length with a scale. Now fix it at a suitable place and light it. क्या करना है आप लोगों को? एक कैंडल लेनी है, उसको एक जगह पे फिक्स करनी है और हीट करनी है. Let it burn for some time. Now blow out the candle and measure its length again. Can the change in the length of the candle be reversed? क्या जो चेंज पाया गया है वो क्या रिवर्स्ड हो सकता है? If we were to take some wax in a pan and heat it, can this change be reversed? क्या ये जो चेंज है वो रिवर्स हो सकता है? Repeat activity 7 with an incense stick. Wait till it burns away completely. एक आपको अगरबत्ती लेनी है और उसको जलाना है. What are the changes that occur in the incense stick? The stick burns to produce some new material. वो स्टिक बर्न होके कुछ न्यू मटेरियल प्रोड्यूस करती है. These are ash and some gases. We cannot see these gases but can sense them due to their pleasant smell. Can this change be reversed? And what about the change which occurred in the matchstick used for lighting the candle or incense stick? So far we have discussed the changes occurring in a given object or its material. What about the changes that occur when two substances are mixed together? अभी ये दूसरे चेंजेस के बारे में क्या कि जब वो मिक्स्ड हो जाते हैं. In chapter 4 we dissolved salt in water. Do you think a change occurred in salt or in water? Is it possible to reverse this change? Wait. In chapter 5 we learn how to separate salt from its solution in water. So can we say that the change due to dissolving salt in water be reversed? Paheli asks if you have ever seen curd being set. A small quantity of curd is added to warm milk. The milk is stirred and is set aside for a few hours at a warm place. In a few hours, the milk changes into curd. Can this change be reversed? We find that a few ways to bring about a change in a substance could be heating it or by mixing it. उसे मिक्स करना है और हीट करना है. We also find that some changes can be reversed while some others cannot be reversed. There must be many other ways of changing things around us. It is possible that some of the around us could be grouped as those this can be reversed or cannot be reversed. In higher classes, we will learn more about the ways in which changes can be made and the way this can be grouped. Say here keywords: changes, contraction, evaporation, expansion and melting. अभी हम इसकी जो एक्सरसाइज है वो नेक्स्ट पार्ट में देखेंगे. थैंक यू एंड हैव ए नाइस डे.